Hello and welcome. This is Zoe Gold, Strategic Results and Achievement Mentor, here with you today. So if you experience unpleasant emotions or unpleasant feelings because of negative thoughts, or if you are in an unpleasant situation or circumstances, the insights that I'm going to share with you will be very helpful. And there are three things that I want to talk about with you today. So the first one is, first, it's a conscious understanding that beneath any thought, especially beneath any negative thought, there is like another level of consciousness and another level of awareness. Beneath any negative thought, there is that all-knowing presence, that consciousness and awareness that is beyond that thought. That is like another level that you can put a thought on top of. And the good thing here is to understand that that presence, that invincible presence, all-knowing presence in you, it's always there. And even if you put a negative thought on top of it, it's like a sticker that does not define who you are, that does not define your true worth, that does not define anything about you. It's just a sticker that you put on top of the awareness and consciousness of who you truly are. And it is always there. Now, the second thing is also to understand consciously that behind any unpleasant situation and anything that you're going on in your life at this point, there is a basis of life is well-being. Life always happens for you, and the basis of everything, the basis of this life is well-being. So beneath what you go through, beneath all those contrasting moments, that's how I like to call them, things that we experience that serve us because they're clarifying moments. They clarify that, okay, this is what I didn't like, this is what I didn't enjoy, this is what I don't want, so now I know what I actually want. And beneath anything that you go through in life, there is the basis, and that is well-being. And the third thing here is that beneath every lack of abundance, lack of money, lack of things that you want, lack of love, there is actually also beneath it, it's another level, the level of who you truly are. Because money, what is money? It's just energy. It's energy of source of infinite intelligence that created all of the abundance of this world, all of this beauty. Like, look around you at the sky, at earth, at trees, at the wind, at the air that you breathe. This is all created with that energy that comes from the source. And that energy of abundance that comes from source, it's yours. You do not need to earn it. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. It is yours. It has always been yours. It will always be yours. So beneath lack of money, beneath lack of something that you want, there is that that energy of abundance of everything that is there. And it doesn't matter what you allow yourself to believe or what you pretend you have or don't have or may not have or are not able to have. That energy that comes from the source that creates the worlds, that created all the abundance of this world, is yours. It's always there. So if you remember these three things, that beneath whatever negative thoughts that you put on top of that all-knowing presence, that all-knowing mind, that presence of infinite in you, that's what actually is there always. No matter what stickers and what thoughts you put on top of it, it's always there. No matter what you go through in life, the well-being is there. The basis of life is well-being. And no matter what you pretend, you believe about yourself. You allow yourself to believe about yourself and your abilities and your business and your life. That well-being, that perfection behind illusion is always there. And the third thing is, behind every lack and limitation, there is that energy source of abundance that's always yours. And it doesn't matter how you trained yourself to think about you and what you trained yourself to pretend you can have, you're able to have, you even have in this moment. Behind all of that, there is that energy that creates this abundance right now in this world. And it's yours. It has always been there. It will always be there. So, this is it for today. Have an amazing day, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye now.